Check it out. 2021 Chrysler 300S, 5.7 liter HEMI. Factory converter, factory X pipe, 2.5. Then he brought his own Carven R's there and right there, 3-inch. You guys can see that's the box. That's the part number. We will have a link in the description for it for you guys. Carven R's installed. Done in the middle. Then 2.5-inch pipe continues. A rear muffler delete on each side there and right there. And then he finished it off with some LCGP black tips right there. Here's the part number on them by LCGP. There you go. If you guys want a link, there'll be a link in the description for it. So there's the black tips, there's the rear delete, and there's the mid Carven R's. Check it out. Nice, clean looking. All right, there's the mid mufflers that come on this, and there's the 2 resonators that usually come on this that we cut off there and there. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it, and like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. In order for you guys to put these tips on, you have to change it to this diffuser. And we'll see if we can get you guys a link for that diffuser also. That's perfect. It's clean. Carven R's. What do you think? It likes it. There's sound decibels? Right at 111. Very nice. There's light to it, man. I like it. It's a good looking car. 300, I like that. There, guys. That's cool. Like off the movie.
This is Sparta!
Nice wheels on it. Really clean. Just a good looking car. I love these cars. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Chrysler 300S HEMI. HEMI, baby. Oh, that's so awesome. I like the shift points, man. This sounds so good. You can still hear it. Very nice.